Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Art and Craft by Kavyashri. This is my first voiceover video. In this video, I have shared making of die coconut shell candle holder. It is very simple and unique idea for this Diwali. Let's start. Here I have taken coconut shells. Now I am going to paint it with red color for decoration. Here I have used acrylic colors. Now I am using white color for simple dot design. You can also decorate with beads, lace, mirrors and etc. for decoration purpose. Here I am using very simple dot design for this coconut shell candle holder. And same color I have used for edges. For middle dots, I am using yellow color. For supporting purpose, I am using clay. I have taken 3 equal portions of clay. Make into supporting shapes. Now I am sticking it to coconut shell. For supporting its purpose, you can also use old bangles. Let it dry and paint it with the same color. Yes, now beautiful candle holder is ready. Let's see the complete output of candle holder. Enjoy this Diwali by making this simple and beautiful coconut shell candle holder. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you.